If you're experiencing issues with PUBG multiplayer not working, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services to confirm that your connection is not the issue. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that your PUBG game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches and updates to fix bugs and improve multiplayer functionality. Check your game launcher for any available updates. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your console or PC, wait a few moments, and then power it back on to refresh the system. Step 4. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If the problem persists, consider adjusting your network settings. This can include switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection, enabling UPnP on your router, or configuring port forwarding for PUBG to improve connectivity. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your PUBG multiplayer experience and resolve any issues you may be facing. Happy gaming!